Manipur police have arrested 3 cadres of KCPE in 2 separate operations. As per a report from the police, a team of Kakching District Police Commando arrested a cadre of the proscribed Kangleipak Communist Party KCP Taibanganba group yesterday. On receiving reliable information about extortion being carried out in areas of Kakching and Thoubal district, a team of Kakching District Police Commandos carried out a search operation in Tejpur Makha Laikai in early hours of Saturday. During the operation, the team detained one Ningthaujam Ashakumar, 33 years of age, son of N. Tomcha Maitei from Laphupa Tera Part 2. Police recovered one mobile phone, 22,000 rupees in cash and 4 ATM cards. Ashakumar was handed over to Waikong Police Station for further legal action. Meanwhile, in another operation, Imphal West District Police apprehended 2 cadres of KCP People's War Group on July 19. The arrested cadres are identified as Chabungbam Boinao, alias Lamnganba, age 33, son of late Lokendro, and Thangjam Abungcha, alias Mocha Maitei, 30 years of age, son of T.H. Selungba Maitei from Haibong Pokpi. They have been handed over to Lamsang Police Station for further legal actions.